This is the Super Colossal Giganotosaurus. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the Dinosaur Channel. This is your home on the internet for all things dinosaur and prehistoric. Today, we've got something very exciting to do. I want to take a quick note and just say thank you so much to all the new people who are subscribing to this channel. By the time that I upload this video, we'll either be very, very close or already have passed 5,000 subscribers, which is... wow. Thank you guys so much for supporting this and enjoying these videos, and I really appreciate it. And obviously, for those of you guys who are new, please hit me with a nice old subscribe, because we appreciate it so much. We've got something exciting on the table, guys. I went over to Target, $53.49 later, and we've got ourselves my first ever Dominion toy, the Super Colossal Giganotosaurus. It's literally bigger than me, the box. Look at that. It's insane. I can't even get it all in frame. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of this today. A couple notes. This thing actually retails for like 60-something bucks here in the States, but if you join the Target Circle app, it's free. You just have to pop in your email, I think, and a credit card. You get, I think it's 10 bucks off over 50 bucks, and if you spend over $100, you get $25 off. So actually, if you're in season right now and you're going to be buying a bunch of these Dominion toys that come out, well worth it for you to get the app and use those reward points, because I think you get points and you're going to get a discount. This is the Super Colossal Giganotosaurus. Not only is this my first proper Dominion toy, Dominion figure, it's my first ever Giganotosaurus figure, and also it's my first ever Super Colossal figure. I completely opted out on all of the other figures that were Super Colossal during Fallen Kingdom, because well, as you can see, where the hell am I going to store it? I have no idea. There's literally, I don't even really know how I'm going to store this one. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I've got too many already. But, you know, of course, I saw it. It was the first thing they actually let me leave Target with, because all these things are street locked for April 17th. April 17th here in the U.S. is Easter. All Targets are going to be closed. So this was the only toy I was actually able to leave with at Target. It's exciting. I like the mold. I'm not a huge fan of the color, to be honest. This little puke green. It's sort of the same color that the Therizinosaurus has, but why don't we just get into it and plop this baby open? What it's advertised with is the minis, which, if you guys already watched the video, we already did a video on that, unboxing pretty much all of the minis. Actually, not pretty much. We did all of the minis. And you can see this thing can actually hold the minis inside of its tummy. So you have all the different Jurassic World Dominion minis. Gigantic bite feature. That's that look here on the box. Here's a little side view for you guys. We got that amazing Dominion logo that we all know and love. And for some reason here, a Pyroraptor, which is cool. I've got a feeling about this that they're going to make a mini Super Colossal Pyroraptor. I will almost definitely be buying that one, because the size should be about the size of an actual dinosaur at that point, and it would look like a little baby Pyroraptor, and I love it. So let's get our handy-dandy knife out. We're just going to cut along these little tape lines. See if we can secure this puppy. Also, I didn't mention, I'm so bad at these unboxings. The front of the box, look at that art right there, huh? The giant T-Rex, the Jurassic World Dominion figure, or logo. I love it. The art on Dominion is sick. I'm absolutely in love with it. I love it so much. Now, we're actually going to unbox. I have to say, there's a certain level of thrill opening up these Super Colossal figures. So I guess we'll just dump this baby out, put the knife somewhere secure, put the receipt somewhere secure. Okay, I don't know how this is actually going to work. It's so big. Oh, that's a foot. A foot came out. Whoa, that's like a turkey leg. Oh my god, that's so big. Look at this insane view in here in the box. That's bananas. Alright, we've got a tail, another leg perhaps. Okay, then we got a jumbled up mess of plastic and wires that we need to cut through. What an adventure. There she is. Now that's a sight to see, huh? What an adventure getting this thing out of the box. Also, why are the arms curled like that? Oh, nice. Okay, that's superposable. Well, damn. Let's start making a Giga. So, first things first, let's attach on the tail. So it looks like a giant snake thing. There we go. That attaches just like that. Now we've got our giant. Is that how the tail is? Wow, it's a thick tail, and the scoots look so weird. That's our little Giga snake. All right, next thing we got to get the cardboard and plastic off of these giant turkey legs. There's one leg. Look at that leg. My God, look at that thing. That's huge. I don't know why they don't paint the claws, though. What's up with them? Why don't they like to paint these claws? I don't get it. You're already making such a big figure. Just paint the claws. There we go. We got 2 Giganotosaurus or Giganotosaurus legs right there, secured and ready to go onto our Giga figure. Here's our Giga figure. So we're going to take one leg and we are going to attach it like yay. Another leg. Yay. Oh, that's a nice snap. That was satisfying. There! This doesn't even fit in frame for me right now. Holy... I'm like backed out of my set completely right now. Holy Giganotosaurus. That's... Well, that's what the name implies. That is a huge... That's the biggest toy I own, I think. I literally can't even get it all in frame if I want to. I think now it's all in frame, maybe. Right? Yeah, that's all in frame. Wow! Look at that thing. That's huge. And it's heavy. It's very hefty, too. It's got some weight to it. So, the other side for you to take a look at. Working here in tight quarters. It's a very tight set here. Articulation-wise, what we can move is this mouth. Wow, that top jaw. Oh my God, this thing's pretty sick. So you can see the chasm of its deep, dark mouth, which can fit those little minifigures in. I'll just grab a minifigure from, it's a Fallen Kingdom minifigure. It's not one of the Dominion ones. But you take it and you throw it down the hatch. And then you can roar like that. Open up this little pocket down here. Oh, there you go, it just clips out. You just open up the pocket and the dinosaur will come right out. I hope I showed that off well enough. So if you can't see, if you're just coming across these Super Colossal figures for the first time, you got this hatch where all the dinosaurs can come out of in the belly. Wow, I'm baffled by this figure. It's insanely amazing. Again, I'm not a huge fan of the color scheme. I wish they didn't really go with this like puke green color. It's so, I don't know, it's so unappealing, but and I guess this is like a sort of shading that the Giganotosaurus is going to be in Dominion. Like this is what the color will kind of be like, but it ain't doing it for me. I don't like it. I'm not a big fan of this color. Let's try to put him in a different pose up here up top. That is pretty rad, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. That is exciting. Articulation in the hands. The hands are sort of rubbery. So yeah, we got that little bit of articulation there. We've got that neck, as I mentioned earlier, the legs, and that's all. Most of it's made out of hard plastic that I can feel. Wow, that's a cool pose right there, huh? That reminds you of an Indominus Rex. I love it. I love how it locks into place, though. It feels very secure, which I really, really like. Jurassic World Dominion comes out June 10th, and the toys are supposed to launch April 17th. This is the most excited I've been for a movie. Getting to have one of the characters from the movie in my house at the moment, in my studio, is super sick. I'm really excited for hopefully a smaller version of this that I can actually, present up here on the set. But that being said, this thing's pretty epic. Okay guys, that's the end of this video here on the Dinosaur Channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure obviously to subscribe and turn those notifications and leave us a dino-sized thumbs up. Let us know down below a dinosaur or prehistoric creature you would like to see us cover in the future. And if there's a Dominion toy or any other Jurassic Park or dinosaur toy that you would like to see us unbox on this channel, open up and show you guys, just leave it down below in the description. And we will... not in the description. Leave it down below in the comments, and we will hopefully get around to it at some point. We got more cool unboxing of Jurassic World Dominion toys coming up. And if you want to support us on this channel financially, you can send some money on our PayPal link down below in the description. Love you guys very much, and goodbye.